Come test drive the 2024 CX-5. With its fuel-efficient engine, engaging driving experience, and daring styling, the Mazda CX-5 is a good choice for those seeking a sporty yet thrifty crossover SUV. This vehicle has less than 35,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: backup camera, keyless entry, leather-wrapped steering wheel, trip computer, electronic stability control, outside temperature gauge, day-night rear-view mirror, tachometer, brake assist. Immerse yourself in pure bliss as you cruise along, leaving your worries behind.